Hey guys, what's up? It's Tech Flash. Today we have another unboxing and review of a Nubia redmagic phone, and if you guys don't know, Nubia is a part of a company called ZTE, and Nubia redmagic is basically their gaming phone lineup. I did an unboxing of a redmagic 6 Pro about 2 months back, and that was probably the most specced out and fastest phone I ever reviewed, and now basically this is an amped up version of that same device. The main distinguishing factor on this one though is that because it is the 6S version, this has the Snapdragon 888 Plus. Also, this specific unit that I have in hand is the limited Ghost edition, and because of that, aesthetically you'll be able to see some really cool design differences. The variant that we have today comes with a stunning 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of internal storage. Opening up the box, we see the booklet which holds a couple of things like the SIM ejector pin, some paperwork, and this bumper case, which is not really a case if you ask me, but right away you're able to tell that this is a gaming phone because of the amount of openings that you're getting in it. Next up, we have the star of the show, and we're just gonna go ahead and turn it on. While we're waiting for that, we'll dig deeper and find the USB-C to USB-C type cable, and I just want to say that the quality of this cable is just great. It feels thicker than normal cables, and this actually is a 6 ampere cable as well. But on the charger side, things don't look too good because we only get a 30-watt power adapter, which is quite small and light, and I have no idea why such a monster of a phone was given such a small charger. I thought we would get at least 100 or if not 60 watts fast charger, because everything about this phone is crazy. I was honestly thinking we would get a crazy fast charger as well. Anyways, now moving on to the device, as I had mentioned, this is the Ghost edition, and the reason for that is because of the transparent back that this device has, which gives it kind of like that see-through phantom type of look to it, which enables you to see some of the internals of the phone. Right over here we can also see that it mentions the 165 Hz fast refresh rate. On top of that, you can actually even see the internal fan that this beast of a phone comes with, and yes, you heard that right, this phone has a dedicated fan. You can actually even see the opening of the fan on both sides, and on top of that you get a dedicated trigger gaming button which immediately puts it into gaming mode. Over here we also get a noise cancelling mic which is oddly placed on the side, but it comes in handy when you're holding your phone vertically. Next up, I wanted to show you guys something that I thought was really cool, and that is the lighting which is available for the fan when it's turned on. The lights unfortunately are not customizable, so it's not really RGB, but they do turn on when the fan is on. You can even see the fan moving, and if you turn it off, you'll see the lights switch off and the fan stop as well. So this is not just a cosmetic thing, this is an actual working fan. And just a fun fact for you guys, this runs at 20,000 RPMs. During our testing, surprisingly, we weren't able to hear it, which is a good thing, although you do feel the warm air coming out of the sides here. One thing in particular that I found quite interesting was the widgets this phone comes with. For example, the fan widget here, which allows you to turn on or off the fan at your own disposal, or even put it in an intelligent mode which will switch the fan on whenever necessary. I also noticed here a heart rate monitor, which is rare to see nowadays and actually works with your fingerprint sensor. Another widget here also tells you how much gaming you've done for the day, so you can keep track of it. And also here another one allows you to switch in between the refresh rates of your display, starting from 60 I think and up to 165 Hz. Apart from this, if we want to play a game, we can simply switch the button on the side, which will instantly take us to the game space center, which then allows you to customize a ton of settings, starting from your network to your touch settings, and even change the wallpaper for your gaming space center. Now, talking about one thing that I really don't like on this phone is the camera. I'm not saying the cameras are bad in any way, but these cameras are kind of like the ones that you would see on a budget phone, which would maybe cost you $200 to $300 at most. But to be frank, when you're buying this phone, you're not buying it for the camera, you're buying it for the gaming and performance aspect of it. On both sides here, we also get to see the gaming triggers, and both are actually capacitive touch triggers which work at a rate of 450 Hz, so they're extremely fast. Talking about first impressions, I would say that since this is the Ghost edition, I personally really like the way the phone looks, especially because of that clear back where you can see the fan and everything. Price wise, this phone surprisingly is not too expensive when you think about it. The crazy number of specs that you're getting with this phone will cost you at around $600, which is a bargain, and if you ask me, this may as well be the best value and most powerful gaming phone ever made. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this phone in the comments below. Drop a like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing if you haven't already, so we can reach our goal of 5,000 subs by the end of the year. Thank you once again for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.